ダメだね、ダメよ、ダメなのよ。あなたが好きで好きすぎてどれだけ。Other enough of my horrible singing. Guys, boys and girls, what is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Lots of you guys requested that to make the competition stage 1.5 clutch review on my Baby Jade 06 Acura RSX Type S. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing that for you guys. So I'm excited to do. There's a whole lot different. The car has definitely got faster with the lightweight flywheel. So I'm excited to show you guys. So if you guys are not familiar with my car, this is my 2006 Acura RSX Type S, and I just installed the competition clutch stage 1.5 with the lightweight flywheel from competition clutch. So, but with those TEs, the RSX is modded a little bit. This clutch is definitely absolutely worth it for sure. With the lightweight flywheel, lightweight flywheel makes a huge difference, guys. It's crazy. You guys know Alex, the orange Mustang? I made a video of me and him racing on the freeway, well, in Mexico I should say, but you guys saw the roll races, 40, 50, 60 rolls, and obviously, you know, he took me out. But now after the lightweight flywheel that I installed, guys, we're like neck to neck on 50 and 60 rolls. So that video might be coming soon. We'll see if Alex is down for a race, another race rematch maybe, so we'll see. But I'm pretty excited. He was freaking out when we raced. He's like, dude, your car's a lot faster, man. He was like that, so it was great. Woohoo, got my kicks going on. What is that, a Subaru? It is. Mr. Head Gasket is back. But other than that, guys, the best part of my, you know, ding-a-ding, no, I'm kidding, but the best part about the stage 1.5 clutch, it responds very well. You know, yeah, it is a, you know, a stiffer compared to the stock clutch, but to be honest with you guys, I am satisfied with this clutch. I absolutely recommend. Yeah, there's an Exetic clutch out there too. I heard lots of good thing about Exetic clutch, but the reason why I went for a competition clutch is that buddy on my chin, he has a competition clutch stage 1.5 on his RSX, and that just threw me off. I fall in love with it, you know. I'm like, oh, stage 1.5 clutch, please do not marry me. I was like that, so that's the reason why I got it, guys. But yeah, so today I'm gonna show you guys, you know, how it feels like, you know, how it drives pretty much with the new Hasport motor mount, the 70A motor mount I should say. So the car vibrates, well, the whole car pretty much shakes because of the new motor mount, but I'm not really complaining. I got used to it. At first, yeah, it definitely did freak me out, but man, it feels a lot better. So enough of me talking, guys. Let's start the video. All right, let me put you guys right there. I'm gonna start the car up real quick. All right, here we go. Starting it up. So it's a lot different from before because of the motor mounts, the Hasport 70 motor mounts. It just, the whole car just vibrates a lot now, which this is normal. I'll make another separate video, you know, the Hasport mount, the 70A review on it, so don't worry, guys. But today's video, I mainly want to focus on my new stage 1.5 clutch that I installed on my Baby Jade, my RSX Type S. So alright guys, I don't think enough of me talking. Let's start driving off. But anyways, guys, if you guys are daily driving your RSX Type S, and if your RSX is modified, like the cold air intake and, you know, little bolt-on stuff here and there, the stage 1.5 clutch is definitely the way to go. So definitely highly recommend it. The clutch feels great. I mean, this is way too much fun. Man, dude, I'm supposed to be going 30, but then we're in Mexico right now, so, I mean, it's whatever, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, oh man, this car's way too much fun. Oh man, I'm surprised I haven't gotten in so much trouble in this car, guys. But man, this stage 1.5 clutch, it just responds really well. You know, it's a lot stiffer, so the kickback is really great. And, you know, I'm a person that shifts faster because I got used to this car a lot. You know, I've been owning this car for like a year and a half, so I love shifting really fast. And in this car. It's just really fun. So if you like shifting fast, this is like definitely the perfect clutch to go because it just kicks back really nice. So yeah, but man, I am surprised that I have not got a single ticket yet since I bought this car. But with the Taurus, as you guys know, the previous car that I used to own, the Taurus, man, I got so many tickets in that car, I don't even know why. Now, when do you know when to upgrade your clutch from stage 1.5 to stage 2? Well, maybe let's say if you have a bigger fuel injector and then, you know, like headers and downpipe and all that, you know, set to go, the car is tuned, you know, then I'd probably go with either stage 2 or stage 3 clutch. But man, there is the new Lamborghini. Oh my goodness, that SUV. I don't even know what it's called because I'm not really into hybrid cars. I'm all about Hondas, man. Anyways, guys, go roast me in the comments below because I honestly don't know what that Lamborghini is called. I totally forgot. I know the name if I look it up, but then, geez, it's a Lamborghini SUV. You know, who wants an SUV? Trackhawk, I love Trackhawk. The Jeep Trackhawk, those things are nice, but would I get a Lamborghini SUV? No, I will definitely get a Huracan though if I had the money, if I'm balling out. But obviously, as you guys know, I'm still too young, so I don't think I'll ever ball out like that. If you're gonna replace the clutch, highly recommend getting the competition clutch lightweight flywheel. So that is just a game changer, guys. I was just amazed. I can definitely feel the power difference because, you know, it is obviously, you know, lighter weighted flywheel, you know, that's right next to the crankshaft. So, I mean, geez, guys, highly recommend it. If you guys don't take my words, well, do you know what I'm saying? So, downshifts very smooth. Oh, this thing is fun. Yeah, I am very surprised that I haven't gotten into a single trouble yet. Not even a single ticket in this car. But man, the stage 1.5 clutch, guys, it's just respond well. As you guys can listen to the tone of the car, you know, with the spoon N1 exhaust, guys, this thing is pristine. Holy fuck, I'm going 80. Wow, there's a nice R7 in front of me now. Does he want to go? He might want to. That RX-7 is pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie. And that'll do for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Competition clutch stage 1.5 review on my baby Jet RSX Type S. Now, I'm thinking I might do a Del Sol review. How does it drive? I might do that since I just bought my Del Sol. So leave me in the comments below if you guys want to see that or not. But anyways, guys, lots of you guys requested to make a review on the competition clutch stage 1.5. So I hope this video was helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, pretty much me driving around, you know, how the clutch feels and all that. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button because there's more builds coming to my channel. So other than that, guys, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.